You're here early.
Yeah, I know. I just had some stuff to do.
Oh, you have so much stuff to do. That's great.
I'm gonna go, and I should get to class.
Can I say something?
Not if you're gonna start saying C words.
Kyle, if two people are trying to date, but they each have their own idea about what the relationship is supposed to be like, then they'll never be able to be together. This relationship can't exist in the way you want it to.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
I got you a rubber. Hey.
Hey, Lady Bird.
I got you a rubber. I hope that's all right.
That's great.
Okay.
All right. So this is a group where we all have sex with each other.
Hey, Ladybird. Did you tell Kyle I was interested in getting it on with him?
What? No. Why would I do that?
I don't know.
Weren't you interested in getting it on with him?
Yeah, but I thought you were interested in getting it on with him too.
I'm not interested in him. Obviously not.
Okay. Then what's this?
I thought that if I gave him a rubber that you were interested in him, it might, I don't know, inspire you to take a shot.
But you're not interested in him?
I never said I wasn't interested in him. I just said I wasn't interested in him.
Have you ever felt the kind of love that you'd risk your life for? And you could picture a future with somebody?
That's what I'm feeling.
I love you. You're the only thing I see clearly in my life. You've always been the only thing I see clearly in my life.